Today we're going to make a fish puppet.
Here are the materials you need.
1 clothespin, glue, colored pencils or crayons,
And scissors.
1 Freddy Template sheet. Here are the instructions. First, color the Freddy fish. Then, cut the puppet outline. Remember to cut the mouth line. After that, apply glue onto the gripping area of the clothespin and stick the puppet to it. The top part of the puppet must be on the top part of the clothespin, and the bottom part must be on the bottom. Thank you! Subscribe to the channel.